Hi there. So this is a quick video just to let you know what is happening this month, the month of April. But before we go into all of that, please watch this video until the end because there's a lot of information that I'm going to cover here, which is also very, very important, especially for lifetime members. We started off with Sitecrafter last month. Now this is a child theme, multi-purpose child theme. So the idea with Sitecrafter was to make it easy for you to start to design a website easily. And this can be pretty much any type of website. And this can be the base for any type of website. Now, as you can see here, there's still a 50% discount. I mean, the link to all of that is going to be in the description below. Oh, by the way, you can install this on unlimited websites. Okay, so moving on, the other plans which I have, especially for this month, is to share my funnels. Now, WP Funnels released a fantastic feature where I can share or export funnels. So I have some funnels that I'm playing around with right now, lead funnels, some of them are WooCommerce funnels, and even funnels to sell my products. So I'll be able to export these and share them with the community. Now, these are also going to be on sale, but they're going to be free for lifetime members. Okay, so up next is Divi Craft. This is a Divi UI kit. In fact, let me just show you quickly what this looks like. This is going to be comprised of dark and light background. So as you can see, this is the dark version, and this is the lighter version. So the idea here is to be able to drag and drop these as you're building your website. And I'm going to have a massive library of different types of design options which you can use on your websites. Now, these can be added onto your Divi library, or you can upload them onto the Divi Cloud where you can access them from pretty much any Divi website. But for this, you're going to need Divi Cloud. So I'm really excited about this because this is going to save you a lot of time. So far, this is what I've designed. So these are different section ideas, again, dark and light. So this is another version here. And then moving on, we have the light version. We also have this one here with the call to action. And these are very, very easy to update, by the way. And also they have fluid typography. So take a look here. When I drag this, you can see that these are mobile friendly, and also you don't have to change the font sizes. Look at that. The font just grows based on the type of device you're working on. So this is very, very exciting. It's going to be released this month. Okay, so moving on, there's also going to be another child theme. This time it's called Seller. This is a WooCommerce child theme. This will enable you to design WooCommerce websites super fast. All you have to do is to install this child theme, and then all you have to do is to add your products, and pretty much you are good to go. This will also come in with some must-have plugins and also some basic funnels, which will allow you to have some automations to just have a complete working shop just from the get-go. So as these Divi child themes have been getting very, very popular, I've had quite a lot of people requesting a similar product, but for Elementor. So this is something that I really thought about, and I decided that I will be introducing these similar child themes for Elementor as well to help people get up and running super fast. I will also be producing Elementor tutorials for my main YouTube channel, but I really want to make something very clear here. Just because I'm making Elementor tutorials does not mean that all of a sudden Elementor is now better than Divi, because I've also had quite a few people who saw my Elementor tutorials and they immediately thought that I was ditching Divi for Elementor. Now, these two-page builders are very, very capable, very, very powerful. Of course, they all have different features and target different audiences. But the idea here is to make these tutorials to help you choose what works for you. So as you see Elementor tutorials, please don't get shocked. This is just me creating tutorials for, other platforms. In fact, I will be doing Gutenberg as well. So as Elegant Themes produce more features, in fact, they will be releasing Divi 5. I will be covering all of that in great detail. So if you've already got a lifetime license, it's okay. I'll be producing a lot of content as well. But for now, I will be alternating between Elementor and Divi tutorials for my YouTube channel, and also some of the products that I mentioned are also going to be on Funnels to Income. So pretty much this is my update for April. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments box below. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. See you again in the next.